When you're following a low-protein diet, let's admit it, salads can get a little boring. My name's Natalie. I'm a professional chef, and sometimes even I get tired of salads. So I'm gonna show you a quick and easy low-protein salad that combines just 2 ingredients. The secret to this salad? An underused vegetable that is great for a low-protein diet, turnips. Mix up your salad routine with this delicious, crunchy creation. Okay, so this salad comes together really quickly. We have freshly grated turnips and freshly grated carrots with fresh parsley, about a half a cup of fresh parsley. And then from here, we're gonna add some olive oil and fresh lemon juice. It's a really bright salad. And then we will toss it all together. And you can even let this sit for a couple of minutes after you toss it to let those flavors really merge and come together. And that's it, it's super simple. The last thing that we are gonna do is season it with some salt and pepper, some kosher salt here, and fresh black pepper. You can add it to your liking. I like a lot of black pepper, but you can add how much ever you like. And that's it. So now we're gonna plate it in our bowl. This is a great side dish or perfect for a lunch. And there you have it, super simple and delicious. For more low-protein recipes and tips, check out nutritionmetabolics.com.